Hey, Solar Ken back with another video on why North Carolina is perfect for solar. If you haven't done so already, please go like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Hit that notification bell to get notified when I drop a new video. It'll definitely benefit you to be notified when I do release everything new because you get the first dibs on it. Again, it'll help my channel grow so much if you did so. Also, if you're interested in going solar, please click the link below in the description. It's going to be solarkentheenergyking.com. That way you can actually book a call with me. That way we can sit down and talk and see if it actually works for you as a homeowner. All I need is your utility bill, and I'll be more than happy to assess that to give you a free analysis to see if it actually works. And if it does, it does. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. We'll just try it out in the near future and see. Again, I'll be the first person to tell you if it actually is a viable option for you and if it's the best decision for you as a homeowner. So let's get back into this video on why North Carolina is perfect for solar. So for starters, North Carolina actually ranks number 13 in the states when it comes down to sunlight production. You get about 2,700 hours a year in direct sunlight. Your summer peak hours for sunlight is going to be about 5.48 hours per day, and then your winter peak hours are going to be about 3.97 hours per day, which averages out to about 5.01 hours per day when it comes down to like direct sun on a yearly basis. For the most part, that's great for homeowners. You guys get a ton of sun, about 110 days of straight sun per year where you get no clouds, blue skies on that day. Is pretty much a third of your days of the year. It makes sense for homeowners to go solar in North Carolina, but why it makes the most sense for homeowners to go solar, and solar is perfect for North Carolina, is you have a top 5 solar deal plan. In a sense, you guys have some of the best utility companies when it comes down to Duke Energy and Domain. You have some of the best rebates when it comes down to some of those utility companies offering some type of compensation for actually you going solar, which makes the most sense. And you also have some of the best net metering plans when it comes down to solar plans over around the country. So you guys are most likely top 5 when it comes down to solar opportunities and why homeowners that live in the state of North Carolina should go solar. It just makes the most sense. For starters, let's look at net metering, right? Net metering is offering a credit for every credit that you send back to the grid that you don't use in your home. You get paid back. The utility companies usually pay you back at a certain percentage. In most cases, it's a dollar for dollar rate when it's a true net metering plan. In North Carolina, you guys have a true net metering plan in Duke Energy and also in Domain. They offer a dollar for dollar credit, which means if they're charging you 10 cents or 15 cents per kilowatt hour, let's just say they were charging you 10 cents, they're giving you a 10-cent rate back and established credit with that utility company for every kilowatt hour you send back to them, which is perfect for you as a homeowner because now you're getting a dollar for dollar rate back from the utility company. Not only that, you're getting the incentives that come along with it. So Duke offers a 60-cent rebate for homeowners and up to a 10 kilowatt system, which is a 10,000 watt system. So you're getting 60-cent rebates for every watt of solar power that you generate, which is up to $6,000 in that scenario, alongside the 26% tax credit along with that system. So you'll be getting around $5,700 plus that $6,000. So you'll be getting up to almost $13,000 just for going solar with those 2 incentives being in place. Also, there's a solar state tax exemption for real estate tax assessments. That means they can't come back to you, even though solar will add value to your property, but assess that to your property taxes, so your taxes won't go up in price due to the fact that you installed a solar system. It's state exempt for solar. So again, that's another key factor in most homeowners going solar. And again, you can lower your electricity bills by up to 40% by just going solar, by adding a system to your home. And it makes the most sense for homeowners to go solar because they get rebates from your utility company just for putting solar on top of your home. So if you're interested in going solar in the state of North Carolina, feel free to reach down below in the description and reach out to me. at solarkindenergyking.com. I'm a solar educator / mentor. I want to help you and mentor you through the process as solar actually works for you as a homeowner. And if it does, I'll be the first person to tell you again that it actually makes sense for you as a homeowner. So let's just get into the process. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me below. My name is Solar Ken, the Energy King, and I'm out.